Specific criteria for migraine are headaches that last between 4 and 72 hours. It's fairly short. I'll have patients come in and say, I've had a migraine for the past 3 weeks. No, you have not, because that's not a migraine headache. A migraine has a specific beginning and end. You can get them, like usually people will get them 2 or 3 times a month or something like that, and there'll be a burst. You'll have it for 4 hours or 6 hours or whatever, up to maybe a day or 2 or 3, and that's kind of the end of the road. You did not have a migraine for 2 weeks. It's not a migraine headache. It kind of almost rules it out. They will be unilateral, so generally one-sided, and generally they will be on the same side. You can have bilateral, meaning both sides. They'll have a pulsating quality, so they won't just be a steady headache, right? People have this kind of splitting, constant aching headache. That is not migraine. It's a pulsatile, throbbing type quality. It can be associated with nausea and vomiting. And it can be associated with light and noise sensitivity, but a lot of headaches are as well. So that's migraine. Typically the treatment is medication-based. Sometimes you have to take medication prophylactically every day to avoid it happening. Other times you just take really strong medication when you get the aura and you know it's coming, or if the first onset, as soon as you see it coming or whatever, as soon as you know, you pop medication. The other less commonly recommended treatment, though, which I found worked for me, I was prescribed the medication. I never ended up having to take it because I changed my diet, and so far, knock on wood, I haven't had one in a year and a half.